$2,000 worth of credit card with no impact to your credit score, and you can get this credit card even with bad or poor credit score. Hey YouTube, and welcome to Credit Oaks. In this very important video, I'm going to tell you about this credit card that you can apply with step-by-step guide even if you have bad or poor credit. This is a very important credit card for anyone who has bad or poor credit, but beware, this credit card is only for bad or poor credit people, because if you have good or excellent credit score, this is not a choice for you, because it will help you to build your credit. Of course, it comes with a little bit higher APR, not a little bit, actually is way higher than other credit cards, but you're not going to carry balance, so you are good to go with this. But remember that if you have bad or poor credit, this is the opportunity for you where you can get a credit card of up to $2,000 where nobody accepts you for any credit card at all. And remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $20,000 worth of personal loan with no credit check, and you can get that personal loan even with bad or poor credit. In order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. So without any further ado, let's begin, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So the opportunity is here, and this time is from Indigo. You must have heard about them. You must have received an offer in your mail if you have bad or poor credit, because this is the way to go for those people. But remember, this card only helps you if you have bad or poor credit, so you can create your credit score. And once we are good with it, we are going to close this credit card. Look at this. Indigo says your fresh start starts here. It's true if you've got less than perfect credit score, Indigo MasterCard will help you make your dreams a reality. And remember that around 82% Americans struggle with bad or poor credit, so this is a massive opportunity. Well, Indigo proudly serves the punk rock record collector, the novice cheese maker, the too long scarf knitter, the neighborhood cat rescuer, and you, the true original. Well, of course, that's their tagline, but you need to understand that this is an opportunity for you. But remember, this only helps you if you have bad or poor credit. If you have excellent credit, please don't go with it. I'm not a financial advisor, but remember, you need to do your own research. But this is something for you if you have bad or poor credit. According to them, apply with confidence. There is no impact to your credit score if you are not approved. This is best. I want every creditor to do the same, because remember, when a lender does this, a number of people applies for that card. I'm going to paste a link in the video description. You can simply go there, but wait, first you need to watch this video, because there are a number of things that you need to understand before you apply for this card. Don't just go because this is a card which is good for you, but it comes with a hefty price as well. Applying is easy, and it's faster than a cheetah in new sneakers. Well, they have some unique lines, because I know that not a lot of people are going to apply for it who have best or excellent credit. But right here, if you have bad credit, this is the way to go. Why choose Indigo MasterCard? You're unique, and your credit card should be too. With the Indigo MasterCard, you can build credit while creating life you have always dreamed of. You shouldn't have to put your plans on the back burner just because you have a challenging credit history. Well, they actually listed it everywhere. Apply with confidence. There is no impact to your credit score. And one thing that you need to understand, that they report to all credit bureaus, means Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. So yes, you can build your credit with them. And at the same time, this is an unsecured credit card where everyone rejects you, Indigo approves you. Well, let's see if they're going to approve you or not. Even if they don't approve you, which is highly unlikely, but if they don't approve you, it will not impact your credit score at all. Keep your money, no security deposit required. I actually advise you to go with a secure credit card, because it doesn't come with the hefty price tag like this one. But you need to understand that there's always pros and cons of everything. But when it comes to the Indigo card, I'll tell you about each and everything right here in this very important video. Well, benefits you can count on: apply in less time than it takes you to check your social media. You're building your credit before you know it, plus it's easy. So you also received, if you have received an mail offer, then it means that you're almost approved. If you haven't, then of course you can click on get my offer, and then of course it will ask you your application code and zip code if you have received any offer in your mail. But I would like to actually answer a couple of your questions before I even go towards the step-by-step guide that how you're going to apply for this card. Well, what if I have limited credit, bad credit, or no credit? The Indigo MasterCard is ideal for less than perfect credit score. That's what I meant when I started this video. So you need to understand this. Well, will I definitely be approved? This is the question that everyone will ask. Although the credit criteria are designed to help many people who are credit challenged, there is no guarantee of your approval. But even if you're not approved, you are not going to see any impact to your credit score. In most cases, your new card will arrive within 14 business days of being approved. So congratulations. And at the same time, you have the MasterCard benefits and a lot of things. It has a chip up, like you can just use tap to pay and stuff like that. But one thing that you need to understand, that who can apply for the Indigo MasterCard must be 18 years of old, have a valid social security number, physical address, and US IP address, not have an Indigo MasterCard account that charged up due to delinquency, and meet additional credit qualification criteria, including a review of your income and your debt and identity verification requirements. So yes, these are the things that you need to keep in mind. Now it's time to go towards getting started, and let's see that how you can apply for this card. Let me click on apply now, and this is the most important part. You need to understand that it's just fairly simple. You just need to put your name, your address, your email, your phone number, your date of birth, your total monthly income, your total monthly expenses. Now, I recommend you to actually put exactly the income that you have listed on your credit report. Don't go above that. Of course, if you're going to put like 100,000 or something, it's not going to help your application, because this is a card for bad or poor credit score. So if you fall in that category, so it doesn't matter. Just, write the actual income that you have listed on your credit report. Don't lie on it. It's a crime as well. So make sure you remember this, and also put the address that you have on your credit report. It should exactly match the address. They are not going to do any hard pull. It's just a soft pull. It will not affect your credit score at all. But this is the point where I would like to emphasize right here. Let me zoom in so you can understand what I mean by that. As you can see, the monthly fee is $1.49 per $100, or part thereof the ending balance or your billing statement. The monthly fee will be charged each month to your Indigo MasterCard. You may cancel it anytime you're not satisfied, if you cancel within the first 30 days of enrollment. Actually, let me go back to the FAQs, because I want to actually show you something about this fee, because this is something that you need to understand, because the fee is indeed a bit higher, and that's why I restrained myself to apply for this card when I had fair credit, because I had other options as well. Well, technically I don't see anything right here, so let me go back to the apply section and go towards the terms and conditions, so I can see that what do I have right here for you. So when we go towards their terms and conditions, of course, if you're enrolled in over limit coverage, we will charge you a fee of $41. I don't recommend you to do that, but remember, they do have a monthly fee, as I mentioned earlier, so please keep this in mind. And at the same time, their terms and condition, if you want to read them, then that's pretty neat of you to do that. But you need to understand that they do have a monthly fee, which I personally don't like in any credit card. And it actually goes with a monthly fee of $1.49 per $100 of your monthly statement balance. For example, if you spend like $300, then the fee would be around $4.50, or you can say $4.47 to be exact. So you need to keep this in mind. Now, here's the biggest part. Their hefty APR is 35.9%. There are tons of credit cards which gives lower APR, but it's always wise not to carry a balance, or always advise you not to carry a balance. And anyone tells you that, hey, keep the balance like 20%, 30%, it's not true. Don't do that. Monthly fee $0, of course, in the first year, then $150 annually thereafter. So if you'll be able to get back on track when it comes to your credit score, keep this card for a year, then close it and get the other cards. Then they have the annual fee that is $175 for the first year and $49 thereafter. See, it's really high, so please keep this in mind. They have hefty late payment charges, over limit charges, return fee charges. Totally up to you. If you have bad credit score and you don't have any option, then this is the way to go. Otherwise, please beware. I really don't want you to actually pay this much when it comes to your monthly fee, but you need to keep this in mind that this is also an option for you. And remember that I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $20,000 personal loan with no credit check at all, and you can get that loan even if you have bad or worse credit. In order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.